Hello everyone and welcome to Centrestack. Centrestack is a managed file sync and share solution and it has many enterprise-like features. In today's video, I'm going to show you how an admin can create a non-AD user in Centrestack, which will be a native user. I'm currently logged in as an admin in my web portal and I'm going to go ahead and take you into my management console from the top menu option. From the left pane, we're going to select User Manager. And from the drop-down menu, we're going to select User Manager again, because that's where we want to create our new user. As you could see, we don't have any users besides the default cluster admin. I'm going to go ahead and click on Add a User. And I'm going to select Add a New User because I'm creating a single user, which is a non-AD user. So I'm going to go ahead and select that. I'm going to enter the user information, such as the first name and the last name, and the email address of this user, which is adam@cs.com. And I'm going to change the quota from unlimited. If you have 0, that means it's unlimited quota. So I'm going to change it to 1 GB and click continue. We have some user creation options here, such as let system generate password, which is checked by default. You can uncheck that. User must change password at next login. Disable sharing home directory content with external party. Send welcome email to user after user is created. Force all folders to be versioned and enable offline access for all folders. I'm going to uncheck let system generate password and select my own password. And I'm going to go ahead and re-enter that password again. And I'm going to keep user must change password at next login checked because I want to change my password. And I'm going to uncheck force all folders to be versioned. And I'm going to go ahead and click continue. These are the team folders that are published, and I can assign a sub-user to have permissions to access these team folders. So I'm going to go ahead and give this new user read and write permission to my WinWorks team folder. And I have some groups created, and if file and folders are shared or published to the group, the user who is in this group can access them. So I'm going to give this user is going to be part of the team SAP group. And as you could see, our user has been created. I'm going to go ahead and log in as this user from another browser. So I'm logging in as Adam. And since we had selected user must change password at next login, we get this window where we will need to enter a new password. So I'm going to go ahead and select the new password. And I'm going to re-enter it to confirm the password. And I'm going to go ahead and click submit. And once we're logged in, we are in the icon view in the web portal. I'm going to go ahead and switch it to list view. And as you could see, the first thing I have is my WinWorks team folder here because it was published to this user, and you'd see it says team folder in parentheses. I'm going to go ahead and show you we can upload a file. I'm going to go ahead and create a version folder, and I'm going to call it my Azure folder, create, and you see a version folder has been created. I'm going to create a regular folder, and I'm going to call it Google. I'm going to go ahead and upload a folder. I'm going to select my marketing folder from my local drive, and as you could see in the right information pane, all the changes that are being happening, such as upload, all the files that are being uploaded. When you right click for the context menu, you see download option, rename, delete, share. I'm going to click on share to show you. You would just invite a user, enter the email address, type some notes, click continue. You have the option to select continue as now or add as a guest user. I'm going to keep continue as it is now and continue. We're going to go ahead and protect the share. I'm going to specify an expiration time. I'm going to give it 1 week, and I'm going to have this user I'm sharing with view and download only access. I want the share to be password protected, so I'm going to enter a password and check these notifications. This user will receive notification if any changes are made into this file and folder. And as you could see, our share has been created. When I click on sharing and collaboration in the right pane, I see the shared items. When I click on manage, the sub-user has the option to delete or edit the share. So I'm going to go ahead and close from here. We also have the button menu, which has this copy, which has the move option, rename, delete, download, and share as well. We have the places up here. If you click that on my files, which is view we're in right now, we have files shared with me. This is a new native user, so it does not have anything shared to this user yet. When we go click recent, this is the things I've recently uploaded. And when I click on the search, I could type in a file name or a folder name. When I type in my file name, it comes up. I'm going to go back into the admin's web portal. And this is how an admin can create a non-AD user. And if you look under the user, you see the type of user is a native user here. Thank you.